Huncun, a border city in northeast China's Jilin province, has seen cross-border trade recovery since it resumed passenger services with Russia earlier this year. Huncun is located at China's border with Russia and the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. To boost cross-border economic rebound, the local government has further improved the coordination with departments, including railway and customs, to facilitate customs clearance. The Huncun Comprehensive Bounded Zone has been actively creating a favorable environment for automobile export. Since the beginning of this year, more than 5,000 vehicles have been exported here, with a trade volume of 1.63 billion yuan. The Huncun Northeast Asia Cross-Border E-Commerce Industrial Park, opened in 2022, has become a new driving force for promoting foreign trade. Consisting of a commodity sales exhibition zone, a live streaming base and other facilities, it has attracted 119 enterprises to settle there. In 2022, the total trade volume of these companies exceeded 6 billion yuan, with cross-border e-commerce business contributing 3.52 billion yuan. In recent years, Huncun City has become an important gateway for trade with Russia. An industry cluster of processing, energy, and cross-border e-commerce has been formed.